Yeah. For those who have joined recently, Dhanamoni, Hirok and Shruti, see, I would request you to go through the videos I have posted recently in in LIC AAO videos. Have I sent you those videos or not?
No, sir.
No, sir,
LIC,
not yet.
LIC AAO videos?
No,
sir, not yet.
In where, sir? In YouTube.
No, YouTube videos.
Yeah. I got 2 or something
Yes, sir. I got.
videos.
Yes, sir. I got
Yeah.
the link
I
of
got it.
those
I-
videos, sir.
Yeah, I think both videos I would have sent it to you. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
I will check up whether I have sent or not. Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Your number kya hai? First 5 numbers?
8547.
Okay, wait a minute for 5 minutes. 8547. Yeah, I have sent you LIC AAO bank interview tiny URL. That is the that is the thing, you know, for
Okay, sir.
here more than 300 videos are there. In that, please go through the latest videos in the year 2023. Mantu, since when are we doing this LIC AD classes? From probably first nearly 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks also. So
Yes,
you
sir.
please go through those videos. I would have discussed, but whenever questions are coming regarding AAO, you listen to that also. Nothing wrong in knowing it. But your role is somewhat different. About that, I will talk to you separately. One of these days, I will call only ADOs and talk separately. Otherwise, for both of you, more or less similar questions. For both of you, more or less similar questions only. So don't worry about it. And now let us concentrate on what I have given you here. Yeah. This one, I have got other materials also. I will discuss with you later on. Now, regarding this one, we will take up 1 or 2 things for discussion. Yeah. Here, when you go through this ADO interview people for new people, here you have one material known as Aparchit interview. Please go through that. Then bank interview questions. This was prepared by me about various topics, but not much interested, very much interested for you. Then biodata format. This is the biodata format. Yeah, this is the biodata format. I think you will get one. You will fill it up later on. Abhi jarurat nahi hai. Now, yeah. Now, LIC ADO interview questions. Yeah. Next, contact character certificate format is there. You please take care of that. Then D for difference in banking. Here, 2-3 points given. What is the difference? It is given. Documents needed for LIC ADO interview. This is, I think you will get it before your interview. And that last 2019, whatever they have sent you, I have given it here. 2019. Then economic survey 2022-23, boring document. Then expected questions. LIC interview expected questions. I think this one I made it 4 years back. I don't know whether it is not, it may not be fully complete, but it contains some valid questions. You can prepare on that. Then financial market awareness capsule. This is Kapil Kathpal's, but some points I have given here. This we can go through today. to know basically what is it. It will be common for both ADO and AAO. This will be useful for us. And yeah. Then future of insurance PDF. This point we have studied yesterday for AAO. It has been posted as a video. Please see that. Glossary of insurance. This is, I don't know whether I have shared this for our AAO people. AAO, Mantu, have I given you this? No. But maybe, maybe
No,
in
sir.
other, no, it is not given. Na? I should try to pass on to you. I will post it in our, not much, only, I think you can get it here, Baba, straight away. LIC India bottom links. There is no need for me to share it with you also, Baba. Super. Mr. Mantu.
सर ये तो पढ़ रखा है मैंने LIC की वेबसाइट पे जो ग्लोसरी दे रखी है ना,
आपने डाउनलोड करके रखा है ना?
मतलब मैंने रीड कर रखा है सर, ये वाली ग्लोसरी जो साइट पे दे रखी है.
Very good, very good. Sana Ansari, you know this? Sana Ansari, have you come here? Sana has come or not? Sana, why are you not talking? Sana is a very talkative girl. She will be talking. What happened? Her internet is not all right. It's okay. No problem. So this one, and then insurance aspirant zone. This is, I think, from another company. Some general information, not, of course, just information only. Then insurance aspirant zone, insurance awareness by Kapil Katbal. I think this I am not able. You have to download that only, then only it comes. Insurance part 2, LIC AAO. I think I have given it here. But this we have not studied, Mantu. हम लोग पढ़ा नहीं है इसको. Liability insurance. Then what do you mean by combined ratio in insurance? Likewise. This one extra material I have given. Then insurance awareness notes by this is another notes. Insurance awareness notes somebody has written. Some candidate who was there at that time has prepared this. Mantu, did you go through this? No.
सर ये जिस टीचर ने पढ़ाया उसका मैंने कोर्स देख रखा है.
But यहाँ पर of course some of this might have changed.
सेम है सर, वो जहाँ से ये PDF ली है ना सर, वो टीचर ने जहाँ पे अपलोड कर रखी है वो पढ़ रखा है मैंने पूरा.
अच्छा
सेम है.
Same.
गो थ्रू करा मैंने. 34-35 पेज है सर ये.
Oh,
वही है.
it comes 34 pages.
स्टडी IQ पे है सर.
Study IQ का. अच्छा, very good, very good, very good, excellent. वो भी पढ़ लीजिए. Then LIC ADO insurance. अच्छा, in 1 minute. Insurance awareness notes. Then insurance bolt, that is olive board का है. Then this is famous document IC 38. Suruti, Hirak Jyoti, Naya candidates, all of you, you must be aware of this document. This
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir. I see.
This is a famous document. All of you should go through. And then
Yes, sir.
LIC ADO interview ambitious Baba. This is one more document prepared by another company. Simple questions, answers. This also we have to go through. LIC ADO questions asked. Questions asked. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about LIC. I am from Andhra Pradesh, and not many pages because what I have collected only. Thoda se hoga. These are the live questions given by candidates to me. अरे बाबा ये भी बहुत अच्छा चलता है. बाप रे बाप. Not bad. 17 pages है. बहुत कुछ questions है. ये भी आप लोग पढ़ लीजिए. Then आपको LIC ADO roles and responsibility, LIC agents recruitment, LIC balance sheet. Pata nahi whether it is this year balance sheet or last year balance sheet. Somewhere I saw, so I downloaded that. Pata nahi whether it is this year's. Oh, only this year's ka hai. Arey bhai. December 31. For 9 months ended 31. Oh. Mantu, you have this figure with you?
नो सर ये
Already आ चुका है.
Yeah, I have given it to you. अच्छा नया वाला आ गया 31 March आ
हाँ
गया
नया वाला आ गया
आ गया. Why don't
है.
you share it in our WhatsApp group, please?
सर ओके सर है ना LIC की वेबसाइट पे से मैं शेयर
Yeah.
कर दूंगी इसका.
अच्छा उसको लिंक LIC वेबसाइट से लिंक भेजने से भी हो जाएगा, नहीं होने
Yes.
से लिंक देने से हो जाएगा. We will download it ourselves separately. Good.
Yes,
Sana
sir.
Ansari, your voice was not heard for a long time. What happened?
सर प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि मैं अनम्यूट नहीं हो पा रही थी. मैंने मैसेज भी किया था सर, बट किसी ने कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं दिया, आपको बताया भी नहीं सर.
ओहो
तो फिर
अच्छा
किया.
अभी सही हो गया. Good. See, very
Yes, sir.
nice. See, all of
Sir,
you ADO boys, you must have the enthusiasm which our Sana is having. Sana, I wish she should get it. Even if she doesn't get this time, she will get something else, superior one. Because that much involved is she is answering very enthusiastically. You must develop that enthusiasm, especially Shruti. Shruti is my
Yes,
old
sir.
Shruti is my old student from Federal Bank. Please try to copy from Sana. Sana is a very bright candidate, but only thing is she feels she is not good in English. She is good in English, not bad, but she is very good in Hindi. Very good. So not that Mantu is also another very bright candidate, followed by Hariharan. Please make use of these candidates when you are interacting in WhatsApp. Then
Sir,
yeah, tell me.
सर आज मैं रूम में हूँ, so I can on my camera at the end of the lecture, sir.
Very
आपने
good. Yeah,
कल में सर
कल मांगा था. Yeah. After switching off, you can come. Yeah, right. Very good.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
मेरा एक डाउट है, वो
Yeah.
भी आप एड्रेस करना.
Pardon.
sir, yesterday you told about that check DD. The two things
we
are
have
prepared
to
for.
we have to do that. We will do that.
Okay,
today.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
We will do that. But today what happened? Suddenly ADO result has come. And accordingly, 5 new people have joined. And I have introduced this to them. That is why I am telling them about this. Now,
Sure, sir.
this is another important thing which I have given in our, I think, AAO folder also. I don't mind sharing both folders for you, but ज़्यादा होने से आपको ज़्यादा problem होगा, ये problem. That is what I am also worried. So this one, you know, I collected it from a material which I have prepared in 2015. 2015 में I was teaching banking and insurance for MBA students in one institute in Chennai. That institute closed subsequently. They are from Bombay. That for them, I at that time I got this material, and this is also a very good material. We can go through some of these points here also. So that also we can do it. Then I think with that it is over. With that it is over. So ADO candidates, don't worry. I will come for a separate session with you if necessary on one of these days in the morning session. Say, if all of you can come in the morning, say 6:30, 7 o'clock for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you be with me. I will tell you some extra points that are special for our marketing people, that is ADO, and some intricacies about that. In fact, I think I have already shared some videos like why should you join LIC, and all that. Have you not? I think all of you must have seen that, correct? Sana, did you see videos I have shared in our WhatsApp, wherein I have told about so many points like why should you join LIC, why LIC, ADO and all that. Did you see them or not?
सर नॉट ऑल बट या कुछ देखा है कुछ बाकी है सर देख लूंगी वो भी
Very good. Now, Shruti,
Sir, I didn't see the video.
I know you might not have seen because you are busy with your Federal Bank one. Now I have to ask you one question.
No,
Shruti.
sir, I didn't clear the Federal Bank group discussion session.
Really? Oh.
Yeah. I didn't get that group discussion.
Acha. Say, are you seeing me?
Yes, sir.
Oh God. God bless you. Because I was having a doubt in my mind, forgetting that you are not been qualified. I was thinking whether this girl will join here or there. That's okay. We will discuss that later on. Shruti,
Yes, sir.
please read on the board. On the, what do you see on the board? Are you seeing something on the board or not?
Yes, sir, I can see.
Please read.
Bank definition. Banking is acceptance of deposits, withdrawals by check or demand.
Okay.
DICGC, deposit insurance facility is available. Scope of business for banks limited by Section 6 of 1 of the Banking Regulation Act. Licensing requirements are quite stringent. Transfer of shareholding is also controlled by RBI. Major privileges can exercise powers of recovery under SARFAESI and DRT law. Form part of the payment and settlement system and can issue checks drawn on itself.
Checks drawn on itself. I think this is
drawn on itself.
I think I can't change it. Yeah. SLR
or CRR requirements. Banks are covered by SLR, CRR requirements.
And for the sake of listen, for the sake of newcomers, SLR is now 18%. Please note it. And CRR is now 4.5%. Okay, continue.
Foreign investment up to 74% allowed to private sector banks. Priority sector lending requirements. Certain minimum exposure to priority sector required. Can accept demand deposits.
Yeah, this is about banking companies. These are the definition of a banking company. Now we will go through non-banking finance company. Ariharan, please read.
Yes, sir. NBFC, non-banking financial company. NBFC cannot accept demand deposits, therefore cannot write a checking facility. DICGC, deposit insurance facility is not available. Scope of business, no bar on NBFCs carrying activities other than financial activities. Licensing requirements. It is quite easy to form a NBFC. Acquisition of NBFC is procedurally regulated but not approval required. Major privileges. Cannot have powers under SARFAESI or Debt Recovery Tribunal law.
No, but I am doubtful about this. Arigaran, you please check up from your office. Because I think now have they been given power? Please check it up. Mantu, Sana, you also search because this has been written some years back. Maybe there has been some changes in this. Maybe whether NBFCs are also given power to exercise SARFAESI. Please check it up, or I will just search on now. If I get it, fine. NBFCs, can they use SAR? Because I have a doubt. SARFAESI. Any NBFC is enforceable, is eligible to enforce security under SARFAESI Act on 2002 on debts amount minimum of 25 lakhs. If the minimum asset size of, please note down, boys. Here it is given, they can exercise SARFAESI. They can also exercise SARFAESI If the debt amounts to minimum 25 lakhs and the minimum asset size of the NBFC is 100 crores. So that is the rule. What is not permissible for NBFC? NBFC cannot accept demand deposits. That's what we are studying. We will study here. So there is a correction here. SLR, CRR is not there. SURFACE Act, there is some condition. When it is above 25 lakhs and when their asset side is more than 100 crores, then they can use it. But normal NBFCs cannot use it. Continue. Do not form
part of the payment and settlement system and cannot issue checks drawn on itself. 7 tone SLR or CRR requirements. NBFCs have to maintain a certain ratio of deposits in a specified securities. Foreign investment up to 100% allowed.
Oh,
Right.
full 100% allowed. That's very good.
Sir, priority sector lending requirements. Priority sector norms are not applicable to banks.
Huh?
10th one.
No, it's wrong. It's wrongly typed mistake. I can't correct this also. Priority sector norms as applicable
Are
to banks
applicable.
or not applicable
Yes.
there.
Are
So
applicable to banks only, sir.
Yeah.
Cannot accept demand deposits.
Very good. So these are the points. This is a very useful question normally for banks. But for others also, even in LIC and all, sometime they can ask you. Please be ready about that one. Very
Sir,
good.
I'm asking one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Stand Up India scheme is compared to loan or anything else, sir?
What Stand Up India scheme?
Stand Up India scheme in my bank. In my bank, I have. They provided the Stand Up India scheme to people, sir. I don't know about that because my manager give to the loan for people. That's why I'm asking to you, sir.
Here it is given. Here it is given. Stand Up India scheme. I think it may be available in some of our materials also, but this is what it is. I am giving the link. In fact, it must be there in our bank, in your bank website also. It must be there. I am giving the link in the chat itself now. In the chat itself now. And also in our, what is that? In our chat, web, what is that? WhatsApp. But this is not required for Sana and Mantu and all. They may not ask you. Don't worry. You don't have to study this. This is LIC. Yeah. You may be requiring it because you are working in a bank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please go through that. Now,
okay, sir.
You were only reading, na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we will go ask somebody else to read. Harigaran over, Shruti over. Dhanomoni Chokma.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Dhanamani Chokma. Please read this. Savings account, current account. Jaldi pad lijiye.
Okay, sir.
Savings
Used to buy all Indian citizens, even children above age 10. ATM, checkbook and passbook. Interest received on deposits. Overdraft facilities is not available.
Here again correction hai. Nowadays they are giving overdraft facility in respect of Jan Dhan Yojana. No accounts opened up to 10,000 rupees. But normally overdraft is not there. Continue.
Number of check withdrawal is limited.
Yeah, per off year some 50 withdrawals or so they allow. Current account.
Used to buy all businessmen, ATM, checkbook and passbook. No interest facility available. Overdraft facilities is available. Number of check withdrawal is not limited.
ATM also. I think ATM card is given only in respect of proprietor current account, not in respect of limited company, partnership and all. That is okay. Now continue. You please continue with this RD.
Okay, sir. RD short term. Second point, monthly installment paid. Third point, it is saving. It is a saving. Fourth point, customer is penalized on failing to installment. 50 point, interest is low.
No, this is wrong. This point is wrong. Interest is same as that of other time deposits. If 1 year time deposit has got 6% interest, 1 year RD also will have 6% interest. Could you follow? Yeah. And in the case of RD, condition minimum 6 months, maximum 10 years. Minimum 6 months, maximum 10 years. That is a thing. And yeah, that is an important point. Regarding FD, minimum
Long
7
term.
days, minimum 7 days, maximum 10 years. Continue. Long term.
Long term, one time payment. It is an investment. No such penalty, but FD get renewed automatic. Interest is high.
No, this is wrong. As I told you, same rate of interest for both RD and fixed deposit. Mantu, are you there? Mantu, come. Mantu, read. Number, check and demand
Yes,
draft.
sir. Check cannot. 1 second, sir. Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Check can get dishonored.
Hmm.
Check is not backed by a bank guarantee. Check can be made payable to bearer. Check is defined in Section 6 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881.
Yeah.
Demand draft. Demand draft is always honored. Demand draft is backed by bank guarantee. Demand draft cannot be made payable to the bearer. Demand draft is defined in Section 85 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881.
Yeah. I think that much is sufficient here. Here, demand draft nowadays, it is not familiar, because everybody is making payment through wallets. That is, what is that? Gpay, phone pay, and all that has come, and UPI, and also through scan payment. So nowadays it is not familiar to make payment through demand draft. Everything, even your fees and all, you are paying online only, na? Very good. Mantu, continue. Demand
Yes, sir.
liabilities, time
Demand
liabilities.
liability versus time liability.
Hmm.
Demand liability is a deposit maintained in saving account or current account which are payable on demand through a withdrawal form of a check.
Hmm.
Example, demand draft, mail transfer, telegraphic transfer, unclaimed deposit, interest on fixed deposit, current deposit, demand liability, portion of saving bank deposit, and unclaimed balance accounts.
They are all demand deposit. Anytime we have to make payment. Time liability.
Time liability is a fixed deposit for time period which is not payable on demand but after time period.
Example. Mantu.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Time,
Read.
time liability is a example, fixed deposits, cash certificate, cumulative and recurring deposit, time liability, portion of saving bank deposit, staff security deposit, and margin held against letter of credit if not payable at demand.
Okay. Next one, CRR versus SLR. Good question. Continue.
CRR uses total deposit as reference.
Please,
CRR,
please read the point number also, because person who is watching the video will not know which point are you reading. So please read point number 2.
CRR has to be maintained in cash. Point number 3, bank do not earn any returns from the money parked in the form of CRR. Point 4, CRR controls liquidity in banking system. Point 5, CRR is used to control inflation. Point 6, range no floor and ceiling.
See, actually CRR, it is not maintained in cash. It is to be maintained as cash in Reserve Bank of India. the bank has to remit this money into Reserve Bank of India. Nowadays, almost all the banks have got a currency chest. So whenever the money is kept in currency chest, it is equivalent to the money credited to the account of the bank. So that is, it has to be maintained as balance in the current account of the bank with a Reserve Bank of India. Continue.
Point 1 SLR uses the total demand or liability as the reference while calculating the money to be held. SLR can be maintained either in cash or in assets that RBI suggests as gold, government bond, and government security. Point 3 Bank can earn returns from SLR. Point 4 SLR regulate credit growth in country. Point 5 SLR is used to control inflation. Point 6 range no floor but ceiling is 40%.
Maximum 40%. Usse zyada SLR cannot be brought by RBI. Only 6 pages.
It's a 2016 PDF, I guess.
Yeah, it's an old one.
That's why all of the data are not updated.
Yeah. It's 2016. 14.6. Exam Pandit. Yeah. Thank you. That much is sufficient for this. Now, tomorrow, what should we do? All of you have got all the materials with you. What are you going to study and come? Because Mantu and Sana are seniors in this. Please tell me, Mantu, which one should we study so that I come here and ask you only questions. No more my asking you to read or whatever it is. So tell me.
Recently, I'm going through the website of LIC only.
LIC website. Okay, all of us, let us go through the website of LIC. Whatever is coming before your eyes, you go through that. And regarding the policies details, some app you posted yesterday, na?
Yes, sir.
Mantu. So why don't you post tomorrow morning or today evening again, once again, so that the new candidates who have joined can also get it.
Yes, sir.
There is one app, it seems, in that all the policies are coming. So please take care of that also. So thank you so much. Best wishes. Candidates for newly joined, my responsibility is to guide you, read. I won't be able to read all the questions with you. I may not have time to explain about them also. But please spend the time in going through the content given as materials. Go through LIC website importantly. Go through IRDAI website importantly. And next point is, apart from that, go through the videos of LIC AO posted recently and also old ones. Because I found in old ones, I have given very many good points. So I am sharing that in the WhatsApp. Those who have joined WhatsApp today, are you able to see the old postings? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. So that is the problem. So how to solve that? Only option is I have given you the link of the Federal Bank, link of the LIC AO. Please go through that. Okay. You may be laughing why I am telling federal, because, to be frank, Federal Bank interview only I will be conducting 365 days in a year. One way or other, because they go for campus recruitment, they go for individual recruitment. So one way or other, I will be always online. You can see all months, January, February, March, April, all the months, my Federal Bank videos will be there. And this LIC comes once in a blue moon. 4 साल का एक साथ में, or 5 years का एक साथ में आते हैं. Anyhow, I wish all of you best of luck, and please watch the videos. I have LIC ADO videos also. If you can go through that in my channel, nice. I am not willing to give that link now because I want to eliminate some videos so that I can give it to you. If you are able to locate them and see, no problem. Please go ahead. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Yeah, I'm closing this. Yeah.